Although herbicides control most weeds in the sugar beet, they're still occasionally hoed in odd years when control hasn't been so reliable. The sprays have done a good job this year, so only the headlands are being hoed to cut out the overlaps from drilling and to clean up the outside rows where grass and other weeds may creep in from the hedge. Hoeing is still carried out using a wartime Allis-Chalmers Model B fitted with a mid-mounted underslung hoe and rear rakes which pull the cut weeds to the surface. The Model B is powered by a 4-cylinder petrol paraffin engine rated at 15 horsepower at the belt pulley, which was later increased to just over 22 horsepower. Drive is taken through the tractor's slender waist, or torque tube as it was known, to a 3-speed transmission, differential and final drives.
Right, well here we are today, lovely sunny day again, and we got the star of the show out today. 1942, Allis-Chalmers Model B, built in Milwaukee, come over here from America, Lease-Lend, on a boat. She was one of the lucky ones, she didn't get sunk, so we got her still. When it was new, we had a bow axle on, but when my father bought it, he had this adjustable axle put on the front so he could hold different crops. Red beet, strawberries, sugar beet, all sorts of stuff he used to do when he first had it. Well, last 1942, he bought it in 1952. I've been on the farm ever since. 4 generations of our family have driven this. My grandfather, my father, me and my son. So she ain't done so bad. She's got American type toolbar on, as far as I know. Because you can push this toolbar in, you'll probably see me pushing the hole in. You can push it in deep, or you can leave it fleet. The sort of land you're on. She's obviously you can see where range. She was a 5-row hole really, but I've made it so I'll do 6 rows. So I added some bits on the side, and she got reeky weeders on the back, so I just pull our rubbish about so I can kill it better. But, years ago, of course, we used to hold the beet 4 times. I used to beat the hole once with discs, so the people could chop the beet out, and then they get hold again. Then perhaps before they were finished chopped out, then we go through them twice again once they've been chopped out. So I used to get done 4 times that time of that. But because we didn't have quite so many beet then as we got now. But yeah, it still used to be a big job. We spent a lot of hours on it. When she first come out of the farm, of course, she'd done everything basically. Cultivating and all sorts of things really. Chain harrowing the crops in. Used to drill all the sugar beet at that time. Used to harrow corn in, and father had drilled corn with it. One time she used to mill the corn as well. She got a pulley wheel on the back, which used to drive the old type roller mill, but so he's done an awful lot of work. How many hours that's done I wouldn't even like to gather. Wouldn't even like to think how many hours that's done. But she still runs fairly well, so keep old Maggie in good nick.
The American-built Model B was introduced in 1937, and production began in England too from 1947. It was an incredibly popular tractor for Allis-Chalmers and was well liked in Britain. Production finally finished in 1957.